We're here at Metric Method with a Buell XB12R. Wanted to show you guys a good option for turn signals, seeing that this customer put aftermarket mirrors on that used to hold the stock turn signals. He had us put them like eyebrows above the headlights, so you can see the tinted 20 LED row of LEDs. I'll turn it on so you can see. And the brand LEDs are hardcore, Radiance hardcore lighting, and we use the 20 amber LED, flexible. We did have to drill it one small hole in the corner to feed the wires through. That's a clean option for front turn signals on the Buell XB12R.